Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Before we start, hit that subscribe button now. Thank you very much for doing that. Okay, I'm going to create an intro and we're going to loop through a dictionary. So first we're going to use the intro and we're going to use a little bit of user input here. So we're going to print something out to the user, short form program. So who works here? Okay, who works here? And we're going to do a yes or no. So we're going to type in yes or no. Okay, now we're going to create some standard input. So entry is equal to input. That's going to be let's say yes or no. So the user types in either yes or no here. So if entry dot lower, so everything's going to be reduced to lowercase. So if they type in yes in a capital, then it will be reduced to lowercase. This will get rid of any little errors that we might have. So is equal to y. Okay, so if the user types in y, we're going to go down to workforce. Now workforce is going to be a function that I'm going to write in a second or two. Else, if the user types in no, print by, and then we're going to quit the program. Okay, now I'm going to come down, I'm going to create the workforce function here. Okay, so workers. We create the little dictionary here. Is going to be Bill. And Bill is going to be cleaner. Then I'm going to create Joe, and Joe is going to be a builder. And so let me just move that out a little bit to make it look a little bit better. And then we're going to have Pete here, and Pete is going to be a chef. Okay, so that's the dictionary there. We've got the keys and the values. So I'm going to loop through it. So for worker, let's say job in workers dot items. Okay, print, and this is where we're going to format the string using the F here to format it. We're going to do name is of the worker, so that's going to be worker. Job is, and that's going to be job. Whoops, that's going to be job there. Whoops, done that wrong. Okay, that's better. Right, all we have to do now is to call it using intro. So call it and save it, of course. Save, let's run this. Okay, who works here? Yes or no? Maybe I shouldn't have put that in. Let's just make that look a little bit better. It looks a bit silly. Let's just okay. So let's run it again. Who works here? Yes or no? I want to find out, so I'm going to type yes. Okay, name is Bill, job is cleaner. Name is Joe, job is builder. Name is Pete, job is chef. Okay, let's run this again because I want to test out no here. Okay, so this should kind of quit the program, so let's run it again. I don't want to find out, so I type in N, and there you go, bye. So Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. Hope you like that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed, subscribe now. Give it a thumbs up, and if you're in the mood, drop me a comment or two, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye bye.